As a base guider, our main responsibility is to understand everything that happens inside the base with the soldiers. We are responsible for guiding them and channeling their knowledge about the base and helping them become a better soldier. Because I want to teach and guide other soldiers to help them become better, I also want to show my best and share my knowledge so they can learn more. I expect I expect to guide new recruits around the army, helping them become familiar with the area and understand how things work inside the base. Yes, civilians or gang are not allowed to be inside or take control of the base. If they found inside, we command them to leave the army leave the army base immediately. Um, if a recruit does not listen, we correct them using macros and, if necessary, use a teaser to regain control of a situation. Pardon? Okay, copy, sir. Number one, if a civilian enters the base using a vehicle, and number two is if a civilian attacks us or shows hostile intent, we can defend ourselves. And number three, if a civilian approaches the concrete area, ignores warning, and behaves inappropriate, we can use lethal force after a 10 seconds countdown. Yes, but as a soldier, I am prepared to fulfill my duties. I want to show my skills and help other soldiers or recruits who need assistance inside the army. There are five material events in the army. During a material death, at HB, if we die and then go home, I just wrong the other. Yes, we are not allowed to eat during a material death. The heck? Give me a sec. I will think of it. Yes, I do want. Yes, I do. I want to contribute to improving base operation and help maintain the disciplined and efficient environment inside the base. Copy, sir. Thank you so much for having me today.